Anna, what do you think about my muffin? It looks so
God.
cute and delicious. I want to try doing
Little
it
baby.
with pumpkin covered in sprinkles.
So cold.
Alright,
Oh my
here's how
god,
it
what is
looks
it
for you.
doing?
First, I'm going to cover it in orange icing. Now I'm going to use a knife to help spread the
Ah,
icing around.
I'm gonna go back.
Let's add some more icing. This is going to be a really crunchy, sprinkly cookie. Let's frost this now. We'll even make this pumpkin.
Wow, the bunny is. Oh, bunny, go.
Elsa, Anna, anyone home? What's going on in here?
What, Mom?
Pumpkin cookies. Do you want to try? I don't think so, Anna. I don't think there's such thing as too many sprinkles. It's just going to be a really crunchy, sprinkly cookie. Let's frost the stem. Stem on my snowflake pumpkin. Knock, knock. Elsa, Anna, anyone home? Oh, what's going on in here?
Is it good?
Knock, knock.
What's
Elsa,
this?
Anna,
Right there.
anyone home?
Oh my god, bunny.
Decorating pumpkin cookies. Do you want to try? Sprinkly.
Oh yeah, I'll take a bat. Come on. I'll go take a bat.
Snowflake cookies? Those don't exist, Elsa. Hans, I can decorate my Halloween pumpkin cookie any way I choose to. I want to try. Bet mine can look the best. I can make the best Halloween pumpkin cookie. Fine, Hans. Here is a
Say
blank cookie for you to decorate then. Oh, it's going to be the best one ever. All right, I'll start with its eyes.
Ah! Oh, the thing too.
Eyelashes on a pumpkin.
Ah,
Realistic.
I'm gonna take a bat too.
Looking good. Let's give it a little nose. And a mouth.
Okay. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna take a bat.
It's gonna have a candy mouth.
Ah, great there. What does it do everything? The wheel out there.
Eyes. Of course, some eyebrows. Aha! Perfection is almost completed. Just a little bit more of the orange icing. Careful. Concentrate. Perfect. Almost done. Hey! Oh, Hans. Oh, not good. So what's going on in here?
It's a bat. It's a, okay.
Sorry, what's
Okay.
going on? I just thought I'd say boo when I come in. I didn't think I would scare
Oh.
you.
Okay.
Hans was trying to create the most perfect pumpkin cookie.
Oh.
You know what? I think he created the most scary.
Oh my god.
Those squiggly lines are just not working for him.
Bunny.
Yay, chocolatey chippy cookies! I hope you enjoyed this super fun
Okay.
video of making these fun little pumpkin cookies. Well, I think everyone had fun. Well, Anna and Elsa, maybe not Hans.
Oh, okay, very good. Go. Okay. Okay.
Look at all that frosting, yummy and candy. Don't forget to subscribe for more Halloween cookie fun. And I will see you cookies in my next video. Bye! These are the
Oh my god, Bolo.
Look at all that frosting, yummy and candy.
What the-
Don't forget to subscribe for
Well, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back. Forget to. Hey, Amy. What happened? Oh, a bonus. I got to.
all electric vehicles are very different from conventional
Got to be deep. Okay.
To recharge and
Okay, let's keep along.
is
I'm
intended to
a
harness
bit.
transport.
A bunny. I
Therefore,
really
charging
person.
converts
No,
electrical
so.
current into an
Okay,
acceptable
but.
power level to charge the battery.
Okay, peace. No.
Expert knowledge about
So.
electric click away. To learn more, go to greencars.com.
Ah.
I'm so excited.
Okay, but it's a blue rabbit because everything. Okay, okay. Oh, we put on. I come in because I'm Liz. I don't get you.
Anna, this looks perfect.
Okay.
Let's get started. Two of orange and one of black and green. Ooh, look at all the sprinkles Anna has. Oh, yay. I can't wait to get started. Woo, here we go. I'm going to start with the orange pumpkin line.
Quack, 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 quack. It's okay. I did that. I put over there. Wait a minute. Skip it down. Oh! Oh, okay.
Anna, good job.
Oh my gosh.
Now let's give the pumpkin a face. It's going to be a very happy pumpkin.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, but put over the bed. Come on, put on.
Uh-oh.
Okay, yeah.
Big smile. Anna, you should
Put the cake.
make the eyes.
Okay.
Elsa, what do you
Put
think about
put
my
the cake. I'm gonna go with the bath. Bath is tattoo.
Delicious.
Wait, is it tattoo? It's tattoo cookie.
And Elsa, this
No,
is
I tattoo my
chocolate
business
and
thing.
blue icing. How are you gonna make it look like
Second.
snowflakes? Oh, they're gonna be snowflakes. I'm gonna use this black icing. First, I'm gonna do the pumpkin's eyes.
Oh. Yeah, but, I'm kidding.
I don't think so, Anna. I don't think there's such thing as cherries.
Oh! So bad is a cough. Yeah. No, I'm coming. I'm not going back. Oh, what up?
What's going on in here? We're decorating Halloween pumpkin cookies. Do you want to try? I can decorate my Halloween pumpkin cookie any way I
Hey,
want to.
really? That's it, Tuki. Happy? Wow, so you better go card? No, of cover. Ah. Ah. Sippers. Wait a bit. But the, oh, it's sick. Oh my god, it's sick. Okay, okay. What's in? I don't know what name. What name? It's a name Dolo. It's a name Dolo. Oh, I need BB. A pig. It's ace. It died. It's a greater than tattoo. Oh, it's a streak. A gun. It's a second now. It's the story bitch. It's a water wowie pig. It's a Parmesan. 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 It's a Parmesan. It's a Superman die. It's a green like the girl. It's a gold. Yeah. Okay, but take out. Okay, let's go now. Supper word but damn movie. Okay, kid. Oh god. Oh my god, a power! Okay, similar power? Okay. Oh, no got power. Oh, you guys no got power? Yeah, no got power. The sake no got power. There you go. But the cause is too. Because there's no power. What? Our streets. Yeah, power streets. Always the only power back. So. Okay, so we're back again. Press you. Okay. So you. There you go. Oi. 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 Okay. It's.
Check it out. You can decorate your own pumpkins with this set. There's lots of cookies in here and lots of sprinkles. Look at all the different pumpkins. Anna, this looks perfect. Let's get started. Cookie Pants. It looks like Anna and Elsa.
You got to go with it with bait.
Pumpkin cookies. Yes. Oh, yes.
I'll see you.
So many pumpkin cookies to decorate. We'll give one to Anna and one
Oh, why? Bacon. Okay, but take a better so bad, really proud. Okay. Oh my god. Baby, I can do that. No, we're going to stop. Because. Sale is better. No one is sick. going to cook bad. So, we'll see you back to pretty bad. So, I'll pay. Okay, we go. So, everybody, come to we take a bed.
It's going to be a very happy pumpkin.
And a power. And a power too. It's really bad. Really?
Can't wait to get started. Here we go.
Okay, really? Okay.
Turn to icing.
Let's go.
Pumpkin.
Away. Yeah. Yeah.
Down for the line.
Yeah.
Anna, good job. Now, give the pumpkin a face. Big smile.
Okay, up and out.
Here, Anna, you should use it.
Yeah.
What do you think about my pumpkin?
So.
Delicious. Pumpkin does look delicious.
I'm a work of it. So, petigo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Birthday, Dad.
I'm going to go to the midday.
Giggling now.
Up.
Were you ready to have your birthday dinner? Oh boy, am I! I am hungry.
Okay, so everybody. Here go. It's bad. Oh. 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 No, I will be so wet. Really? No, that's what happened. You will have a werewolf. Oh my god.
No, honey, you don't understand. The rest
Ah, this. Okay, coming next. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Hello there. Oh. Oh. Okay. Now.
Really? Come on. Go for it, Dad. All right. I can do this. Tough box.
Okay, now. I'm gonna some more weed. Wait. Oh. Okay. Come here, Solo. Come here now. Come here. Come here now. Come here. Ah. Do that.
Surprise party just for me? Happy birthday, honey. You scared
Okay, okay, I got it. So, okay, so come up.
this. You couldn't have landed anybody. Happy
Okay,
birthday.
this.
Now, come on. Party boat's about ready to take over.
Okay, give me this.
Bob Summer of Savings makes buying new furniture always
Okay, that's your way.
bedroom over the beach.
Okay, but so please.
Dining set or hosting a block party barbecue.
Hey, didn't mean that to talk.
Living aid,
What's up, Papa? That's really good.
furniture back
Oh,
or you can have your cake
Give
and
it.
eat it too. And my cake.
Oh,
Summer
mmm.
at Bob's to sell furniture in store or online.
Okay, so this. What's this? Yeah, oh, yuck. Okay, you know. It? It's really. Well, so that's. Let's see what we eat. Yuck. Yucky.
All right, it's time to eat.
Let's, what's he blocking?
Hot food for us.
It's really. Okay, so this.
This is incredible. This is absolutely
Ah, yuck.
thank you. All right, everybody grab something to eat.
I quit. Oh, okay, we'll see. It's really. It's, yeah, it's so good. It's really. So it's yeah, it's yucky.
Careful down
Okay, this one. It's really not good to you. Tapi tak talk ya. Yeah. Say no. I'm with you. Okay, next. Oh, yeah, nice. Ok, sì, block. Ok. Poi ne puoi. E sulle hanno. Cioè, devo, sì, vedere. Yuck! Oh, il peso cat.